Hi friends! Thank you so much for joining me today for another video. So today marks the first video of March, so that means that I'm going to do a February favorites video. If you guys are interested in seeing what kind of things that I'm interested in, not just beauty products, but things that I've just been really liking this past month or even longer than that, then just keep on watching. Before I go on any further though, if you are not part of the Breath of Beauty family yet, what are you waiting for, my beautiful? I do encourage you to join us because you belong here and I welcome you with open arms. Alright, so let's see what kind of products I've been enjoying this past month of February. Ow. Alright, so we'll start with a beauty item first, and this actually was quite a surprise when I tried it out, and I've actually had this sitting in my mascara drawer for the longest time without ever having touched it or opened it, and I finally decided to do that at the beginning of this month, and I have not been able to wear any other mascara for this month. I've just been really loving it. This is the Japanese drugstore mascara that I got like years ago, and it's Facio, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it's waterproof and black in color, and it basically has like a rubber bristle wand, which is really great for my lashes in particular and separating my lashes. And I'm actually wearing this mascara right now. Obviously it doesn't look that great because it's gone through like 8 hours plus of wearing this mascara, but just you could clearly see that it separated my lashes as well as given them really nice curl and definition. And it's really nice because this wand has like a nice curve to the shape, so it hugs like every lash, whether that's like the outer lashes or the inner lashes that are usually really hard for me to get to with just using like regular straight bristle wands. I did check on Amazon to see if I could repurchase this if I wanted to, and it's I think sold for like $16 on Amazon, which isn't bad at all. So I'm definitely gonna repurchase this when I run out of it. I think that's pretty much like the only beauty related item in my favorites this month. I haven't really been trying out like new products because this month has been crazy busy, and I like to stick to, you know, what I like when things get kind of busy. Another product that I've been really enjoying this past month is the Dove Dry Spray Invisible Deodorant. This is so awesome. It smells really nice, and this is like a spray-on deodorant, and it doesn't have any sort of like powdery white marks on your clothes. I mean, it claims that there's no white marks on 100 colors, so that's saying a lot. And I really like that it's a spray because whenever I use like deodorant sticks, it just kind of feels a little icky. It feels a little waxy, and it doesn't feel very clean or refreshing for me. But when I use a spray, it actually has like a bit of a cooling sensation. Maybe it's just me, but it definitely has that effect on me. And it smells really nice, and it's just so quick, and it doesn't feel like really sticky or, you know, waxy or anything like that. So I really have been loving this deodorant, and I've been wearing it every single day. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to products or items that I've really enjoyed over the month of February. It's not beauty or personal care related, but I've been really liking these, and I just want to share them with you guys. This first item that's like non-beauty related but inner beauty related, oh, see what I did there, is the A Beautiful Mind, A Beautiful Life, the Bubs Guide to Being Unstoppable. And if you guys follow Bubs Beauty here on YouTube, she is just such an inspiration. I've been watching her and following her since I was like, I want to say late middle school, early high school, so it's been quite a while since I've been like watching her consistently. And she recently came out with a book. I got this at Barnes & Noble for only $10, and I'm more than like halfway through it. It definitely helps me have a more wholesome, positive and edifying mindset rather than like my tendency to be a little more negative. So I've been really enjoying this, and it has a lot of good examples from her own life as well as like people from around her, and it's just like a funny read. She's like a funny person too, so I really like reading it. I am not a reader, actually. I'm kind of dyslexic, and if I read for like even 30 minutes, I will have blurry vision afterwards for like, I want to say up to an hour. So because of that discomfort, I don't usually read, but when Bubs came out with a book, I knew I had to read it, so I've been really enjoying this so far. Alright, so the next item is something that I got as a gift from my sister-in-law, 2016 Christmas. This is a beanie. I've worn it in my video, like one of my videos before, but basically this is the brand Love Your Melon, and I believe it was started in Minnesota by like a bunch of students. This is such a cute beanie. I get comments and compliments on it every single time I wear it, and I think it's because of the beautiful like maroon color, which is one of my favorite colors to wear, coupled with the fact that it has a huge fluffy pretty pom-pom. And the funny part is that this pom-pom actually pops right off. It has like a button to secure it onto the beanie, and it's just so pretty. The only gripe is that because this is detachable, if I'm like, oh, there you go, it just showed you like just how easily it kind of pops off if you don't be careful. And I've had like instances where I've like run to places and people behind me are screaming at me because they're like, hey, you lost your like thingy, and they don't even know what it is, and I'm like, oh, that's my pom-pom. So yeah, that's the only like drawback of that, but otherwise I've been wearing this like every single time I feel like I'm having a bad hair day. I just pop this on and it makes me feel really, really cute. So I really love this, and thank you, Liz, again for getting this for me. Okay, the next item is really funny because it's food. I am so obsessed with these. I keep eating these and it's so good. This is Perky Jerky, and it's a turkey jerky, so it's kind of like a tongue twister, but turkey perky jerky. Try saying that like 10 times, huh? I found this at Costco, and it's in the original flavor, but it's not just like a basic flavor. It has like a little bit of spice from the pepper paired with really good marinade, so I really, really love it. And it's all natural, no preservatives and no added MSG, minimally processed, no artificial ingredients. So if I read all of those things, I'm usually bound to be more inclined to try it out. So I've been really liking this. It's gluten-free, no nitrites, low fat, and it's turkey. So yeah, I've just been so into it. Like, I just can't stop eating it, so I need to watch myself. My husband Sam really loves it too, so we're gonna stock up on this. So I'm gonna make us go to Costco soon again, just to get this turkey jerky. Turkey perky jerkies. So this next item seems a little random, but I've been really enjoying it and found it really useful. I first actually found out about it through one of my best friends. She actually owned one, and I saw it at her place, and I was like, wow, that's really, really cool. It is a dino phone stand. So how it works is if you have your phone, you just kind of like set it on the dinosaur. So it's like really nice to have it right on my nightstand if I just want to watch YouTube or, you know, just have my phone propped up. It's just been really, really great for that purpose, and it's so cute, and it comes in various colors and different dinosaurs too. I know my friend has a purple one, but I decided to get a pink one because it's, you know, do I need to explain? I've been on the lookout for a phone stand, and I remembered my friend's phone stand that was so cute and like really compact too. And I've been really enjoying this little dinosaur as my phone stand, especially this month when I've been watching just like YouTube or like when I watch ASMR videos to sleep. And for those of you that don't know what ASMR is or what ASMR videos are, then look it up on YouTube. There's like so many ASMR videos now. Anyway, I watch ASMR videos to help me fall asleep, and this has been really nice to just like keep my phone up, and I can just like lie down and like watch my phone. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my February favorites. I know it's just such a random assortment of things, but honestly, to be real, if I haven't tried like new makeup products, or if I haven't really been testing out different makeup products to really call it a favorite, I'm not gonna, you know, feature it on my favorites, right? And for next month, I will try to to incorporate more makeup products into my day-to-day life so that I can include more beauty related products for you guys as a favorite if that's what you're interested in. You know, I just like random things, and I'm not like just about makeup. I like to share just things that I like with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and again, if you are new, I'm so glad that you are here and you somehow found me on this channel. If you are not part of the Breath of Beauty family yet, then I encourage you to join us, be part of the fam. You belong here, of course, and yeah, what are you waiting for? We are a really good bunch and you want to be part of us, I know. With all of that said, I feel like I'm singing like I'm singing in the rain. But anyways, you guys are wonderful, beautiful, and amazing, marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you. And please remember, I'm always rooting for you guys, and I'm really grateful for our friendship. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.